कैसा लगा आपको टूर्नामेंट ये? I have a question. What is your aim for your kid in chess? Whenever I see your videos, I want him to be happy like you. I don't care whether he is video or not. He should be happy like you. But
स्टेट लेवल पे उसको खेलना है और अपने स्कूल को रिप्रेजेंट करना है।
उसे खुद को जीएम बनना है। हाँ, और उसके लिए वो थोड़ा ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
She will decide.
you don't take a call.
No, it's not our.
At the Phoenix Market City for our first ever FIDE Rapid Rating Tournament, and the players are all playing there. There are more than 350 players who are here. But in this area behind us are the parents, and we are going to ask the parents how do they feel about this tournament and what are the ambitions they have for their kids. Let's go. Hello. Hi, are you a parent? Yes. इनसे आप पेरेंट हो? हाँ. कैसा लगा आपको टूर्नामेंट ये?
Nice, it's nice. Very nice. Practically, I'm following you last couple of years. So, it's very nice experience here.
And your kid is into chess. What are your ambitions for your kid for chess?
Practically speaking, he got his rating, classical rating in under 7 around. Then he lost and he's at 1100 rating all this time. And very practically speaking, I play investing his time or my time in chess to in certain extent that his imagination power will increase, his thinking power will increase, and practically he will think differently whenever he pursues his career in his life.
Got it.
So
That is your main aim, that he will get stronger in other things.
whatever he will want to do in life, I believe that his thinking power will be different from the 100 people's.
Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, let's go and talk to a few more people here. Hello. Hi. Are you a chess parent?
Yes, I am a chess parent.
How did you like this tournament? Are there any feedback? Is there any feedback you have?
Very nice arrangements, and I am very happy about the initiative taken by ChessBase India and the opportunity provided to all the chess players.
Beautiful. And we have a question. What is your aim for your kid in chess?
I would like her to enjoy chess, and chess. I think that chess is useful. Learning chess is useful in many aspects of life. So it would be really good if she becomes a successful chess player. But if not, chess will definitely help her grow and become a good human being. That is what I think. No, in logical thinking, logical reasoning. That is my belief. Yeah.
That's so nicely put. Thank you. Okay. Hello, sir. Hi. How did you find this tournament?
It's massive. I mean, it's very audacious that you brought in 351 people. I mean, really, I'm stunned to see so much crowd.
Yeah, but Mumbai has a lot of players.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
it was not very difficult. We got like in 2 days so many people. Yeah, so
But it's also how ChessBase India actually promotes. Because we have seen that here. It's really good.
you are enjoying it. And what is the rating of your kid?
He's not rated yet. Yeah, he's
So what is your ambition for your kid in chess?
whenever I see your videos, I want him to be happy like you. I don't care whether he is video or not. He should be happy like you while playing chess.
That's very nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really?
Veer Vasan is fan of yours.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. Okay. You see, people have different ambitions for their kids. Let's ask a few more people. Hello. कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
ना आपको ये टूर्नामेंट
बहुत अच्छा लगा है सर, काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, टाइम टू टाइम किया गया है, और पेरेंट्स को भी बैठने के लिए सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट ये सारी चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से की गई है सर।
और आपको आपके बेटे के लिए क्या एम्बिशन है चेस में? उसको क्या बनना चाहिए आपको ऐसे लगता है?
उसको एक गुड प्लेयर बनना चाहिए, उसको आगे जो उसका टारगेट्स है आगे बढ़ने का, उसको स्टेट लेवल पर उसको खेलना है और अपने स्कूल को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो इसके लिए
मेन ड्रीम है कि
हाँ
लेवल तक जाए।
हाँ
बढ़िया, थैंक यू। हेलो, हाय, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द टूर्नामेंट? डू यू हैव एनी फीडबैक?
चेस बेस कैंप में मुझे पता चला। वहाँ से हम लोगों ने ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया और फिर हमें अपडेट मिलते गए। फिर हम लोगों को पता चला FIDE मैच के बारे में।
कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ आके?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे बेटे में इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रही है इसके वजह से। कैंप से भी हुई थी और ये टूर्नामेंट से भी हो रहे हैं बहुत।
और आपका बेटा जो है उसके लिए आपको क्या ड्रीम है कि वो चेस में क्या हासिल करे?
उसे खुद को GM बनना है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, और उसके लिए वो थोड़ा ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
so GM is the aim. Okay, wonderful. ठीक है, let's go a little bit further and maybe we can ask hello, hi, tournament, how did you find it? Any feedback?
Yes, it is very exciting, and we thank the organizers for organizing such a great event. It's once in a lifetime, like.
Really?
Yeah.
And what about do you have a son or a daughter who plays? Your daughter, did you play? Your round got over so soon? What happened? You won so quickly in 5 minutes. Did your opponent come? You won the game. What is your aim for your daughter in chess?
That she will decide.
You don't take a call.
No, this not a.
What's your aim?
To just win games and it's for fun
To play for fun.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful.
and to become happy.
To become happy. That's nice. Yeah. Let's have one final parent. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
How did you find the tournament here?
It's very well organized, and it's very important for the tournament to be punctual. It was extremely punctual and ran on time, so that's the best part because the kids get very tired at the end of the day. It was very well organized overall.
Thank you. That's very nice to know. And for you have a son, daughter?
Yes.
Son, what is your dream for him in chess? Like an aim? Do you have any?
I want him to keep playing till he enjoys the game. I mean, once the enjoyment and the fun part goes away, it's really pointless. So he needs to keep enjoying what he's doing, then he will do well. If he stops enjoying, I mean, then you know what happens.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I find that the parents here very evolved. Yes, everyone wants their kids to play for fun. No one wants to put any pressure कि world champion बनेगा या grandmaster बनेगा and so on. One parent even said that it's for the kid to decide, not for us. And this is amazing, yeah. Like kudos to all the parents out there. Well done.